Can a grease really last twice as long? Today, I'm introducing you to the polymeric grease. My name's Eben, welcome to Synthetic Oil Protection. Today we're talking about this specific product that's extremely tenacious. It sticks to metal extremely well, doesn't get washed out by moisture. I have a personal customer, Dan from California. He had a landscaping business for 30 years, and he personally used this on his hedge trimmers. He really loved it because the water, all that dew on all those leaves, doesn't just pull off all the grease. So you're not wasting all your time and money by constantly re-greasing the components. This is also useful on U-pins, pivots, fifth wheel plates, and all different steering linkages. Anything with high impact, this is gonna stay in place longer. I want you to support the channel by ordering this right away at syntheticoilprotection.net. I will be your independent AMSOIL dealer, Eben, be able to answer all your questions on all these high quality products. And I want you to check out this video right here. This is another great one, 24 days of AMSOIL.